Hi, I'm Jasper and I will tell you anything about the gas system in your camper van. Gas is needed for your stove, the heating system, and in some cars also for the fridge. The Clif categories, in this case the Clif 4x4 has the gas bottles located in the rear of the car. Here we have two bottles, each is 11 kilogram. Only one is connected to the car. It depends on which vehicle you have. Sometimes with a different type of valve both bottles are connected. In this case only one is connected and I'll show you how to swap them. First of all, we have to close the valve of the empty bottle, so please turn this into the right direction. Attention, to reconnect the bottle from the gas system, we have a left-hand thread on the other valve. So turn this also into the right direction to put it off. After that, put on the red cap to close the bottle total. First of all, we have to put away the red cap of the full bottle. Then we can connect the tube to the gas bottle. Attention please, this is also a left-hand thread, so turn it into the left direction. When the full bottle is securely connected to the gas system, you can open the valve, turning into the left direction. Now the full bottle is connected to your car. If you have connected a full gas bottle to the car, opened the valve, but your heating system or the stove is not working, then you have to check here the main gas switch and make sure that these are open. If the electric lighter for your gas stove is not working, make sure that you turned on the electricity on your control panel. At the Clif or Clif 4x4, the small camper vans, we have fridges that runs over the electricity, so you only need to have the electricity on your control panel turned on. For driving, it is recommended to close the bottles as well as the main gas switch.